Number 276 from the Scunthorpe District, Charlotte Scott, Black and White Magic.